Today, we will do a recap of trading sessions in a boring and not exciting markets. I'll go through everything again with the top-down analysis and cover all the basic points that you can ever need. No more useless talk, let's get back to business. I will be honest, today was not an exciting day to trade. The market was slow and boring. There were no great runners or super rallies. We will check out this coin, BOME, and talk about how I grabbed a very quick move here. Let's learn. When I was looking at daily and weekly charts, I actually did not see anything exciting. Especially in the daily, price had already felt the daily imbalance here, and it was reacting. However, I also noticed the daily BPR area, and I thought this could cause a rally upwards. There was also this equal high above to strike for. In the end, in the terms of bias, I did not have any great opinion about today. Remember, we can find setups every single day, no problem. However, not all setups will be A plus setups. How about our momentum layout with 30 minutes and 1 to 4 hours? As you can see, price tapped the 30-minute and 1 hour imbalances. Here giving me ideas about upward movement. Within 2 hours, you can notice the failed imbalance here. Within 4 hours, we are pushing hard upwards. Altogether, I had this momentum idea of longing for the price. Now dropping to the 5 minutes time frame. Now let's see what was happening here exactly. The price was using its imbalances to push the price down. Notice how it happens here. Two imbalances push the price down nicely. But the third imbalance failed. Buyers gained pure power here. If you also check the left side, you'll notice that we had this gigantic 5-minute imbalance used as a power station to fill up. This was the point of the rally strategy. This gives us at least 2-3% quick grab chances out of the markets. Nothing too exciting, but on a day like this, not bad at all. Let's recap what we have done today. First of all, in the daily and weekly charts, there was nothing really exciting about the bias. Only thing I saw was this daily BPR area, which was pushing the price up. In the 30-minute and 1 hour charts, I have noticed that price was tapping these imbalances at the same time. This move fueled the price. Then I have noticed a 5-minute price switch for the rally strategy. Again, not an exciting day, not great setups like A++, but better than nothing. If you are enjoying this daily recap and practice videos, please leave a comment and give me a like. See you next time and take care of yourself. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.